Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. So you'll be able to see this if you have logged into your Snapchat account a few times and you did not able to type your password correctly. In order to fix this issue, you'll just have to wait for a few minutes, maybe about 15 to 30, and then try it again. And after 30 minutes, if it's still not fixed, you have to do this second method. So just open your phone's settings and then go to your apps. Okay, then go to manage apps and look for your Snapchat application. You have to uninstall your Snapchat and then download it again, so it will be able to refresh everything on that app, and you can now type out your password freely. So make sure to never type out a wrong password a few times. Okay, and if the issue is not still fixed, you have to use a Wi-Fi connection or go to a coffee shop where you connected your device, and then you'll be able to fix that issue. And I hope this video helps. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.